And welcome back to part 3 of my Keezer build video. And I'm starting this episode with mounting the faucets. And I really love this part of the video because now you can actually see how the Keezer turns out with the tabs on it. As you can see, a very tight fit. Let's screw that together. I used a wrench to tighten it, also the front. And this is the total result of 3 tabs. Check this out, it looks really nice. And I'm not going to bore you with a lot of footage about preparing the hoses with the quick connects, but here I'm doing a test with the manifold, this gas splitter. I've set the pressure on a certain amount and 24 hours later it had the same pressure, so it's airtight. Here I'm mounting the gas splitter. I'm using stainless steel hose clamps and it cost me about €3.50 each. Well, this is I guess some boring footage about getting the quick connects. These are the CO2 disconnects on the hoses and on the manifold, and here you have the beer disconnects. That one going to be attached straight to the tabs. And here you see me cleaning the tabs. I've cleaned all the 3 tabs and now it's time to fill the Keezer with some real kegs with beer. I've turned the Keezer on and as you can see it's on a compressor delay time. The LED is blinking, the LED, and now it's cooling 8.1, 5.1 degrees Celsius. Let's mount the drip tray on it. So I grab my biggest beer glass as a reference and I'm measuring out the holes, making a center and drilling a hole with a very tiny drill bit. I'm very careful and I'm feeling around if there is nothing behind the wall, like parts of the cooling system. And I'm using the same method of attaching parts on the chest freezer as the manufacturer did. I really don't know how you call this equipment in English, but I'm very happy and lucky that I own it. There are a couple of aluminium pieces that you put in with thread and you can press them with force in metal plates. So I did it 3 times and now I can mount the drip tray. Very easy and rock solid on the Keezer. And by that way it's also easy to remove. Here you have already a sneak peek inside the Keezer. It's still a mess, but I will change that later. So as finishing touch I ordered off eBay a cold beer here sign and it looks nice on the Keezer in my opinion. Enjoy a couple of shots of my almost finished Keezer, but I still miss something and I'm going to show you right now. I miss a handle, so I'm going to make it myself. I'm using a router to make some nice corners on it. This wooden handle looks much more better than the original one. So I'm sanding it and I'm using some glue again and 2 screws to mount it rock solid on the Keezer. Well, this is a temperature test. I'm pouring a beer out and I'm adding a thermometer and the temperature has to be about 7 degrees Celsius because that's the temperature set on the STC. And I'm lucky, it's 7.5 degrees, so it's a little bit off. I changed the settings of the STC to 4 degrees Celsius. That's going to be the main temperature on a 3 degrees differential. 10 minutes delay time of the compressor and 0 degrees offset. Well, this is what I did lately. I changed the position of the temperature sensor, and in the future I'm also going to add some fans for the air circulation, but I will show you that later. Time to celebrate the finished Keezer. As I said, I'm going to make some changes in the future, but I will keep you guys updated about that. It's fully working, and this is my all grain Pilsner that I brewed. Nice head on it. I really love the LED lights behind the faucets. So hopefully you enjoyed watching the videos. Please thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Remember, nothing is better than a good homebrew. Cheers. Bye.